Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahayu Lestari. I want to about coronavirus. Coronavirus is a group of viruses that carry diseases and attack animals or humans. There are several viruses that cause respiratory infection, from the usual ones like the flu and more severe ones like middle age respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. Then, what is COVID-19? The novel coronavirus 2019, known as COVID-19, is a new type of coronavirus that was first discovered in early January in Wuhan, China. As reported by Johns Hopkins University, there 156,112 infected, 73,955 had recovered, and 5,929 dead. If seen from the data, the comparison of people who have recovered with those who did is quite poor, because only 2 until 3% of deaths are caused by this virus. If we compare it with previous diseases such as MERS and SARS, where the percentage of deaths could reach 40%, the COVID-19 virus is not too scary. Symptoms of this disease are almost the same as the symptoms of flu, but there are different among them: fever, dry throat, fatigue, sputum production, shortness of breath, muscle or joint pain, sore throat, headache, chills, vomiting, nasal congestion, diarrhea, conway of blood, and conjunctival congestion. The symptoms are notified by the World Health Organization. The incubation period for this virus, according to WHO, for 1 until 14 days, while according to the CDC for 2 until 14 days. This virus can survive in inanimate object for 9 days if the ambient temperature is no more than 30 degrees Celsius, and this virus cannot survive in the air. However, we still have to be vigilant with this virus. A small percentage of deaths is one of the factors this virus can spread easily. This virus can also spread to various groups, start from the baby, young children, adolescents, adults, to the elderly. The inauguration of the coronavirus into a global pandemic, of course, makes us more panicked. By living healthy, we can avoid this virus. How? First, wash your hands with soap properly. If there is no soap, you can use hand sanitizer. Second, using a mask. If you are not sick or advised not to use a mask. Third, add a healthy food. Fourth, do regular exercise. 5. Regular sleep from 8 until 9 hours. 6. Avoid direct contact with people. 7. Do not travel outside the home. try to isolate yourself at home. So far, the government has handled corona by close the school and universities. Don't use this opportunity for a vacation because the government is operate this policy to minimize the spread of the virus instead of increasing the spread of the virus. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.